Sure, here are some potential reasons why some young women might prefer older men, including aspects related to Stoicism. Maturity and stability. Older men often exhibit greater maturity and stability in their lives, which can be appealing to younger women who are seeking a partner with a strong sense of direction and emotional stability. Financial security. Older men tend to be more established in their careers and finances, which can offer a sense of security and comfort to younger women who may be navigating their own career paths or financial challenges. Life experience. With age often comes a wealth of life experience, including wisdom gained from past relationships, career challenges, and personal growth. This can make older men more interesting and insightful companions for young women seeking meaningful connections. Emotional resilience. Stoicism emphasizes resilience in the face of adversity and maintaining emotional equilibrium. Older men who have embraced Stoic principles may be better equipped to handle life's challenges with grace and composure, which can be attractive qualities in a partner. Communication skills. Older men may have had more time to refine their communication skills, including active listening and effective expression of thoughts and feelings. This can foster deeper, more meaningful communication in relationships, which is important for many young women. Cultural and intellectual compatibility. Older men may share similar cultural references and intellectual pursuits with younger women, fostering a sense of compatibility and connection beyond mere physical attraction. Guidance and mentorship. Some young women may be drawn to older men who can offer guidance, mentorship, and support as they navigate various aspects of life, including career advancement, personal development, and goal achievement. Less drama. Older men may be less inclined to engage in drama or play games in relationships, preferring instead to prioritize honesty, integrity, and stability. This can create a more harmonious and fulfilling relationship dynamic for young women seeking emotional security and authenticity. It's important to note that individual preferences vary greatly, and not all young women are attracted to older men for these reasons. Additionally, age should never be the sole determinant of compatibility or desirability in a relationship.